Good morning, guys. It's not morning. It is morning for me, but you guys aren't watching this in the morning. I started recording these in the morning with some coffee, and I really like it. I don't know. Drinking coffee and talking about the stock market is sick. I don't know what it is, but it is sick. That's the straightest line I've ever drawn. So yeah, bear channel day, pull back, buy vacuum. Lots of things going on. I still got the sniffles. I apologize. I know some of you have told me you hate hearing it. I'm trying my best not to sniffle in the movies, but I got really bad allergies. Trying to figure out a way to mute the mic really quick, so I hope it's not too crazy. Big gap up. Bar one, no continuation. Bar two, not not good for bar one Bears, but good for the Bulls. Looks like Bulls are gonna try and go for bull flag. Bar four is a rejection. You have a sideways market. Bar five is starting to break out of the 4 bar range. Bar six is follow through for bar five. It looks like a pullback into the EMA. Bar 7 is a breakout below the EMA, and bar 8 is an immediate pullback. Not the best follow through, but it was a pullback that sold. It actually went sideways, kind of created a wedge bottom. It's a bear flag, 3 lower highs right here. Bar 17 looks like a sell vacuum to support, and bulls reverse into the EMA and they sell. 1 second, I'm gonna sniffle my nose. Okay, I hope you guys didn't hear that. I did a really big one so I can make it through this video. Is that nasty? Okay. 18, 19, pull back into the EMA. Bears are keeping gaps open, not a lot of gaps. I haven't talked about gaps in a while. I try and make these videos about what I am learning, but I want to get consistent, talk about the first 6 bars. I want to start doing bar by bar analysis. So 20, 2 bar reversal, looks like a pullback into the EMA and they sell off. Bears make a new low. Bar 25 is a new low. Bar 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It looks like the Bulls do want to get a reverse. It could be some form of profit taking, like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, pull back like 4, pull back like 5. Or you can restart the market cycle like 1, pull back like 2, or like 1, because 23 doesn't really break any trend lines. The high of 24 actually does break this trend line. It comes up and shoots down, reverses down. That's an outside bar. I didn't catch that live yesterday, but that is an outside bar, so that's pretty nice to get short. I did get short, but I didn't get it from the outside bar perspective. I took it from a breakout perspective. But if I like to get as much little context as I can. Outside bar reversing into lows. That shows the bears are strong. 25 is follow through, get a pullback, and then the bears get another 2 legs down. They want to go for a measured move of yesterday's range, which would be here, 5033. It's a measured move from here to here. It fails just around the 50%, a little bit under the 50% level. 50% is like around here. Bar 40. I saw I saw bar 40. I was hoping it would be an outside bar. So it goes like this, and then comes up and closes. It didn't, so I didn't really get out of my shorts till here. Kind of sucks because this was a nice, that's like almost 10 points. There was a lot of volatility. I do remember actually like being annoyed that I got out on the high. Yeah, see, it was just about 10 points. I remember. I was like, what the hell? I thought it would I thought it would go like this and then it went up. I was like, ah, because I saw it. I saw 42. Anyway, so Bulls get a reversal, a bull flag into the EMA, and they break out and get some follow through. Like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, pull back like 4. If I count this price structure, underneath the mic and sniffle. Okay. And then here's a bull flag, double bottom, and it's a buy vacuum testing the high, the resistance. Something that really stood out to me, this, not from a trade perspective. I was done trading by this bar. But I'm thinking about last year, right? Did we really get any buy vacuums? I remember getting tons and tons of sell vacuums to the point where I was like, wait a minute, this might vacuum down. Sell vacuum. You know what I mean? Like it was like more sell vacuums. And all of a sudden, we got a buy vacuum. Um, I remember, so I started trading. Okay, I'm gonna just talk about this really quick. Hold on. This is the daily chart. because I've been thinking about this. Hold on, reset. Okay. So I started trading, I'm not even joking, right at the end of the bull run is when I found out about day trading right here. I went through this and it was hell. I got blown out. I started trading Albook's perspective around here, kind of. And then, so what I'm trying to say is I went through a downtrend. I went through an uptrend last year with Al and them. And now, I mean, we went through this whole uptrend together. And now the market's reversing. So, what am I trying to say? The price action is already standing out to me that it's different because, like, I missed this bull run, the easy money. I got caught in some really tough crap here when I just started learning how to trade. I lost my money 4 times. This was the worst. I remember this price action. So I'm trying to say it's like a range. I don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm more attuned to the. I think I'm more attuned to it changing because when I noticed that buy vacuum, I was like, wait a minute, we didn't get buy vacuums last year, so I don't know where I was going with that. It's like rotating. The price action is kind of changing. Now we were trading above the EMA, so maybe the setups are going to be a little bit different, is what I'm trying to say. Like the setups are clearly going to be different if we're trading below the EMA. I guess that was. Tell me what you guys think of that, right? So yeah, buy vacuum, and then they get 2 legs down, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, and the market goes sideways into a TTR. Leg 1, leg 2 moves. Hard to do leg 1, leg 2 moves in a small pullback channel. It's more of a breakout day for me, so I would go like this. That's met at the EMA. You can also go from here. That's met bar 8. Bar 6 should get us is big enough for its own leg. That's met, but you got to sit through a deep pullback. I think shorting the EMA was. I'm trying so hard not to sniffle. I think shorting the EMA was the trades. This was my trade that I took. I just got short and then I held through that pullback and got out here. I wasn't too happy. I got short again here and then that happened. I caught it. I was really annoyed when I got short here because I almost knew I should have got long and then get short, and I just did the lazy thing. And I want to get good. I want to start. I'm scalping get good. So yeah, I apologize if I've been going on rants a little bit. My nose. Whenever I get allergies, my days are just messed up. They're so snotty. So yeah, downtrend, pull back into yesterday's low, and the market tries to break out and fails and reverses. We go sideways. Where are we on the higher time frames? Where are we in the market cycle? Market cycle. We are starting to go range bound. Bears want to tag all the failed reversals. The failed reversals are bull flags, so they got this one. The next one's gonna be this one. But also now, right? Because the market rotates. Now the bulls want to get targets on the failed breakouts, so they're gonna go for the highs. I'm gonna ask that question actually, because bears are going for the lows, so they get trapped. So then when bulls reverse this, they're gonna go for the highs here. So if bulls get the reversal, they want to go here. If bears get the keep reversing, they're gonna go for here. So it's really cool to see this price structure. I just combined those words twice. It's starting to play out. It's starting to unfold a little bit. We broke the trend line. We broke the trend line here. We retested it here, and we've been selling. So I'm gonna keep this trend line, and I just want to see what happens. Thank you for your comments. I'm reading them. I'm working on the Albooks Brooks. I got pretty slowed down this last couple of weeks between work and just started sneezing. So thank you guys. I appreciate the support and all the kind words. Keep dropping them. Keep telling me what you guys think of these videos. Tell me what type of trades you guys are taking. I'll talk to you guys later. Have some hot coffee or have some wine if you guys are watching this in the afternoon. I drop these videos at 3 p.m. Pacific, so that might be a little bit early for wine. But if you're Eastern, and that's like, or Central or Eastern, that's like 5 or 6 o'clock. That's definitely time to have some wine if you're of age and watch some videos. Yeah, have a good one, guys. That's 10 minutes. I'm gonna try, I keep saying I'm gonna get more focused, but today I'm taking a day off from like hitting the books, and I am literally gonna plan out a lot of things to get these videos out correctly. All right, guys, I'm done rambling. I apologize. Thank you. I love you guys. Have a good one. Bye.